In this video, I'm going to show you the new way of accessing the Snooze for 30 days button on Facebook. So go ahead and open up the Facebook app on your phone. Now, when you want to snooze a particular person or a group or page that you see on your newsfeed, all you have to do is tap on the three dots in the top right of the post. Then tap on Hide Post. When you tap on this, it will now bring you up an option to snooze for 30 days. All you have to do is then hit the snooze button, and that will snooze that particular person, page or group for 30 days. And that is the new way of snoozing for 30 days with Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.